What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, I am watching finally Armageddon. It took me 3 days to watch this. I'm finally on the main event, so I cannot wait to review this for you guys. And we got a package in the mail. I've already opened it to see what it is, to see what it really is. So we have here the hardcore edition of the Mick Foley Greatest Hits and Misses Bang Bang. And yes, I do have the original set as well. But as you can see, the cover's different. The back is different. And this is a this is a 2-disc set with insert. You have Cactus Jack and and Mankind. But this is a 3-disc set. And I am ready. Where are my scissors? They were right. Son of a bitch. No! Stop! Okay. I have them here. So let's unbox this. And on the hardcore bonus disc, you get Mick Foley versus Randy Orton from Backlash versus Edge from WrestleMania 22. Mick Foley and Edge versus Terry Funk and Tommy Dreamer from One Night Stand. And then from SummerSlam versus Ric Flair. I can't believe they didn't put the Vengeance match on here. But does it come with insert? Yes, sir! See, so you have one. You have Mankind right here. And then you have Dude Love. And this is the bonus disc. The hardcore bonus disc, it says. So you get the insert here. And it's not the same insert. Either, which is weird. I mean, yes. I mean, yes. I can't even speak. I'm so excited. So here's this one. You just have you have Mankind right there, and then that's the Cell. I mean, that's Dude Love right there with all the ladies. And then here you got the hardcore edition. You got Dude Love and Mankind, and Mankind. You got Cactus Jack and Triple H from No Way Out. Is No Way Out on here? No, No Way Out isn't on here. Huh. I guess that's their street fight. But then why is there a Cell? That's weird. But yeah, you got the hardcore all matches with new alternate commentary from Mick Foley and Joey Styles. That's going to bug me forever. And this one came out in 2004. This one came out in 2007. Yeah, so there's going to be a review of this one with insert. I can't believe it came with the insert. But here's this one again. 2 and 3. So I got the hardcore edition of Mick Foley, Greatest Hits and Misses, A Life in Wrestling. And then I got the original, as I showed you. So I would get this set because you get 90 minutes of DVD extras. Actually, yeah, I mean, you both get DVD extras on here. But you also get the hardcore bonus disc. Yeah, this is 6.5 hours, and this is 6.5 hours, so that's weird. And with an extra disc. So, yeah, very nice. This has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And I'm out. Peace.